Hello everyone, I'm Yatharth Verma from Web13 batch. Today we are going to present our CB2 clone. It is a luxury home furnishing website by craigbarrel.com. Our team consists of Nankishore, Sai Prasad, Tarun and me. The problem statement was, and we have to create an exact clone of CB2 with exact CSS end-to-end feature implementation using advanced Java concepts and create an authentication using API. The tech stack we use is HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and Bootstrap. The flow of our project is we land on the landing page, homepage. After that, we have to go through the authentication process. After that, we can go to the product page, add items to the wish list or cart. After adding items to the cart, we have to proceed to checkout where we have to enter address and our card details, and we can end up by buying the product. The website demonstration will be started by Nankishore. Over to you, Nankishore.
This is the landing page of our website. On the top left, there is a menu icon from where user can access all the menu options. By scrolling down, user can view our home styling. On the bottom of this page, there is a footer section, which is common for all pages. Our website is fully responsive for mobile devices. On the top right, there is an option bar. To access all the features of option bar, user have to authorize themselves. If you are new to our website, then you have to create a new account. Otherwise, existing user can be access all the feature by directly signing in. From the home page, you can proceed to the product category page, from where you can select the required product. It will be redirected you to the respective product page. From now on, Tarun will explain further.
Thank you. So after clicking to view all button, then we will redirect to the product page of that particular category. So we have made only view all product category page because of the time constraint. We used import export for the navbar and footer as well. So we have added some functionality, like if we want to filter the price of the product accordingly, then we can also do that from most relevant section. As well as if we click to that filter button, then also we can filter according to the category as well. So now if we want to add a particular product to the wish list, so after clicking that clicking on the wish list button, then that product will add it to the wish list section, and we can further add that product to the add to cart if we want, and we can also remove that also. So now if we want to know the particular product, then if we click to any of the product, then it will redirect us to the product description page. So this is our product description page, and here we added some slider here, and if we want to add that product multiple times, then also we can do that. So if we add that product by clicking to add to cart, then the slider will appear, and here the price detail of that product is mentioned. So now if we click to that checkout button, then it will redirect us to the checkout page. So from now Sai Prasad will explain.
Yes. Hello everyone. This is our cart page. Whichever product will user choose, automatically product comes here, and also product price and shipping charges will be shown here. When we enter a promo code, the discount will be applied. Now, when we click on a checkout now button, we will be redirected on checkout page. On this page, we have to give our credential. If user not given proper credential, user cannot be gone on next page. After giving credential, when we click on a next button, we will be redirect on payment page. On this page, we have to give our payment details. After click on save and apply button, user will be able to see their billing address. After checking billing addresses, we have to click on place order button, and our order will be placed successfully. If user want to do more shopping, they have to click on back to shopping button and he will be redirect on home page. Thank you. Yatharth will be concluding our presentation.
Okay, so after going through the whole website, we can also go and see the location of our physical stores. And this page shows all the locations and timings. So it shows the Naperville thing. We can also select different locations. For example, we have entered some dummy locations in states present in India. So we can see the timings and everything present regarding that store. So this will conclude our presentation. Thank you, everyone.